Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy ICH3 Tech coming back to you guys with another video. You see what it is, T-Mobile home internet. I am actually going to be doing a unboxing of this bad boy, testing it, and also I think I'm going to put in this video how to set it up at the same time. Oh no, I'm just going to do unboxing and I'm going to have a video how to set it up next. So this is what the box that comes in. You can see my iPhone 11, how big it is, how big the box is. So whatever size the iPhone 11, that's how big the box is. But we're gonna open up, but this is how big the box is. But let's get right into it. I want to say thank you guys. I haven't put a video up because I was getting a new computer and I'm still working on that right now. Computer I had to get a new one so I could do my videos a little bit better and edit it. So I'm working on that right now. So it comes with your T-Mobile home guide here, how to set up, how to configure your gateway, and set up your network and everything else like that. It's going to come with that guide, so if you need to learn how to do it, it actually be right in there. That was hilarious. But your policies, that comes in here. Actually, here goes the bad boy right here. And we're going to get right to that, but let's put it to the side. And another thing, you can see how big it is. It's just about big, almost big as the iPhone 11. So I'm going to put that in there. Put that to the side. What else come in here? We're going to slide that up, slide that out. They come with your power brick. And it looks like it's going to be a little port there. Let me see if I can get this to focus on it. Yeah, there we go. That's going to be the little port. Alright, let's get this to focus back in the bag. So, nice size, plug, but, to charge it up, to run with it, everything will be pretty good. And also, it comes with a charger and a screw. This screw is so you can screw in the battery. And also, here goes the battery. Pretty sure this is battery. Yeah, this is it. Comes with a battery, so if you want to put it somewhere or you want to plug it into the wall, you want to have it sitting there, you actually could do that too. Especially if the lights go out and everything, you got a backup plan. Here comes the battery drawer inside there. That's what it comes with, the drawer. And also it comes with, oh, this is dope. It actually comes with a screwdriver with it inside there. That's actually pretty awesome. Like a screwdriver? Yeah, that's actually pretty awesome. So we're going to put that to the side. Open this bad boy up. A little monster mode. Put that up to the side. And so you get the battery with it, power cord, screws, screw in the back battery, and the screwdriver and the battery drawer. That's all what comes in a box. I'm actually pretty happy they come with a screwdriver because most of the time something don't come with a screwdriver. So it do have the LTE button and LTE signal and everything up there for Wi-Fi. I'm pretty sure this run off of LTE, but having unlimited, so far I want to test the speed and everything else to see how I like it. So I'm going to do that. But you guys, this was just a quick unboxing. What comes in the box. I think I'm going to go ahead and slide and let's get back. And this was just a quick unboxing. Let's get back to it and we'll set it up at the same time. So this is going to be, let's do, you know what? I'm going to say that for another video. I'm going to do a setup for you. But I want you guys to like, subscribe to the channel. There's actually more content coming. Some great news with T-Mobile that actually came out. I'm actually going to do a comparison to my AT&T to this. Hint. So stay tuned for that. So basically we're just going to give like a little setup, how to use this, how to set it up from your app. And we're going to do some test speeds. So stay tuned for that video, and I'll be right back to you guys. I just wanted to give you a quick unboxing to say how I unbox this and what comes in the box of the T-Mobile home internet. Thank you for watching. More videos gonna be coming. I have a lot of videos that I want to throw out to you guys, so stay tuned for that. And thank you for subscribing. And also, once we hit that 15 to 2,000 subscribers, I am giving that PlayStation 5 giveaway and also Xbox Series S giveaway. So make sure you go in. Hey, it's going to be something up here, or it might be a link below to get invited to get that system. But stay tuned, because I might end up giving away an iPhone. I don't know, but stay tuned for that. Keep supporting the channel, and there's links below to support the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.